If you find yourself locked out of your Uber account, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the steps to recover your account quickly. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Go to the Help section. Once the app is open, tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Scroll down and select Help to access the support options. Step 3. Select Account and Payment. In the Help section, choose Account and Payment to find issues related to your account. Look for options that pertain to account access or locked accounts. Step 4. Request account recovery. Before starting recovery, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check your email for a response from Uber. They will provide instructions on how to unlock your account and may ask for additional information to verify your identity. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your locked Uber account efficiently. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Uber support directly for further assistance.